Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the another numerical which is based on your second unit. Okay, so we will go through the statement, problem statement. The wall thickness of the oven is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, and thermal conductivity of wall insulation is 0.04 watt meter Kelvin. The temperature of inner surface of the wall is 175 degrees Celsius. The energy dissipated okay, by the electric coil within the oven is 40.5 watt. Determine the area of wall surface needed perpendicular to heat flow so that the temperature on the other side of the wall does not exceed 75 degree Celsius. Okay, this is what is the problem statement. Now we will solve this particular numerical, but prior to that we will discuss the problem statement. Okay, the wall thickness of the oven is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, and thermal conductivity of wall insulation is 0.04 watt per meter per Kelvin. The temperature of inner surface of the wall is 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, inside oven temperature is given, which is nothing but the 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, the energy dissipated by the electric coil, okay, within the oven is 40.5 watt. So this is nothing but the Q, that is what they had given. Okay, determine the area of wall surface needed perpendicular to the heat flow so that the temperature on the other side of the wall does not exceed 75 degrees Celsius. So we need to find the area. Okay, now we will write down the given data. So K is nothing but the 0.04 watt per meter Kelvin. Okay, then T1 is equals to 175 degree Celsius, T2 equals to 75 degree Celsius, Q equals to 40.5 watt. ठीक है, wall thickness which is nothing but the x is nothing but the 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so which will be equals to 0.075 meters. So we need this x value in terms of meters, because this is nothing but the m, which is in the this is the k, which is in meters. Okay, so that is the reason why we need this x value in terms of meters. Okay, consider A be the surface area needed. ठीक है, so energy dissipated by the coil, it will be Q in the oven, which will be equals to heat transfer rate by conduction across the wall. Okay, so how we can calculate the value of Q, which is already known to all of you, the formula of Q, isn't it? So Q is nothing but the Ka delta T, okay, delta T upon X. And what does this delta T means? It is nothing but the Ka into T1 minus T2 upon X. ठीक है, so value of Q is given 40.5 watt, isn't it? Then value of K is given as 0.04 into A we need to find out, into the temperature difference, that is nothing but the 175 minus 75 bracket complete, which will be equals to, ठीक है, divided by the x value of x, which is nothing but the 0.075. ठीक है, so if we need to calculate the A value, it will be equals to 40.5 into 0.075 divided by 0.04 into 175 minus 75 means what? 100. ठीक है, so now we will calculate the answer from the calculator. Okay, so 40.5 multiplied by 0.075 bracket complete divided by new bracket 0.04 into 100 bracket complete. So answer is A will be equals to 0.75993 meter square. So this much will be the area which will be needed, isn't it? I hope you might have understood this particular question. Okay, we will see the next numerical in the next lecture. Thank you so much, all the best.